Back to a new video. Today we're doing part 17. This game called Squarebird. Yeah, odd choice, I know. But trust me, it's good. And we're gonna play today. And we'll see. Yeah, Squarebird, part 17. Check out birds. So yeah, if you like today's video, maybe it's no. Maybe you like the video, you know? Maybe you think this video is cool. Oh my goodness, no. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So we're just gonna hop in. I mean, we've been hopped in for a while, but we're gonna play level 23. Now, I'm assuming some of you in the last video are like, I'm not sure, but you know, we can make assumptions, you know? Some of you probably were wondering why I was only on like level 9. Don't question. Now guys, I could not post yesterday and the day before because I was sick and I lost my voice. So that's why I wasn't there yesterday. I couldn't even post a short. Like, no. What? That's okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So, Squarebird, you have noticed I'm a ninja. Thank you for noticing. You've also noticed that this bird is square. The creators of the game, thank you. Cause yeah. So if the thing right below my head, oh, that's a snake. If grass touches the thing right below my head like that, then I get it perfect. And if I get 3 of those in a row, well, you'll see. I get Super Bird. You could destroy everything. But you also lose things. 1, 2, 3. That was good. That was good. That was good. What? Let's do it. What is this? What is happening right now? Oh, this is gonna be tough. Stay low. Stay low to the ground. Oh, that was... Yeah, we're Among Us. Play the music if you can. Maybe. Oh. Oh! The desk! Oh my gosh, yes. Dude, if you die, the Among Us bird, like the death thing, it actually holds out the bone. That's so funny. I love that detail. That's cool. Props to them, like honestly. Okay, that was perfect timing. Yes. Oh, yes. No, I don't want to get that. You know what we should do now, right? No, you don't know what I'm going to do. That's okay. Whoa. Bro, just punched me. The wall just pushed me, dude. What is this? You're telling me I can get... What is that? You're telling me I can... We're doing it. We're doing it. Okay. I'm getting this. That means we have to switch to this. And that we don't need to switch to anything. You know what this means. I'm going to get 3 perfects. Just watch. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. 2 perfects. Look at that. He's throwing ninja stars, dude. That's amazing. Nailed it. Perfect. That was okay. I might switch back to Among Us, but for right now we're being Ninja. Okay, we're switching back to Among Us. Yep, we're got a little surprise for y'all. Got it, just a tiny surprise. No, oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you something cool. Oh, okay. Ha! Shooting lasers. I died. Wow. Okay, we're back. Let's try this again. Oh, nope, never mind. That's not. Oh, no, there's gonna be another ad. I know. There's like an ad every time. Every single. Except this time. Okay. Get the ad. Fly up. 1, 2, 3. Yes, laser. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Okay. Okay, we're going. We're rocking. What? Boom. Perfect. Perfect. This is great. Nailed it. Oh, that was great. Let's do it. This looks weird. Look at Bowser's mouth. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, bro, this is basically exactly like Mario Brothers. Jump up, Bowser. Come on, Bowser. Oh, bro, jump in. Bro, be jumping. That was so easy. Dude, this, look at the chicken right there. Yeah, okay. You know what this means? You know what this means? We need to get another one of these. Which one should we go for? I honestly do not know. We should get the demonetized single. Yeah, let's the symbol. Let's get that so we can get demonetized. No. If any of you guys have played Mario Bros. Wonder, this looks like the bubble power-up. Let's click on it. We did it. We are now bubble. What the heck is that? Why are there dice? I know those are mushrooms, but seriously. Seriously, why did I die? So dumb. I just want to see the bubble power-up. There's one. There's two. Bubble power-up. We need to see it. Yes, I'm a bubbly man. The man of the bubbles. Okay, we're good. Doing good. Snake can't get me. Snake can't get me. Snake can't get me. We're done. Yes. Okay. Boom. Snazzy. Oh, we're so lucky, dude. So lucky. Nailed it. Why did I go up? Click. Spam the top. Good. Why did I click? I'm supposed to not click. Huh? Okay, I almost just didn't click. What? Why would I click there, dude? That's so dumb. Stop clicking. Huh? Stop.
You're confusing.
Stop. Please. Just let me click. I need just to not. Actually, I need to not click. Okay. Okay, we made it at the top. I dream. Whoa! It was like a lamb, dude. Great, that's amazing. I love that. Climb to the top. Right there. Go here. This is exactly what I did. Exactly. One more. That's not one more. We need one more. We got it. The bubble power up. Okay, let's go. No, I don't want the pumpkin. So guys, if you liked the video, and if you liked the video, then you should like the video.
Common
Just
sense.
like Mario's vest right there. His little suspenders. And you should subscribe like his hat. And or the mushroom dice thing? Question mark? I don't. Yeah, bye, I guess. Oh, I have an announcement. Guys, we need an intro. Ow. And an outro. Okay, we need an and an outro. We just vote, please. Please. But other than that, that's all I have to say. Outro music will be playing now. Not the new outro music, the old outro music. Sweet, okay. Yeah. Outro music's playing. At some point, my editor doesn't control me, and see ya.